What's the meaning of big man on campus? Big man on campus. Big man on campus.
Big man on campus. Big man on campus. Big man on campus is an idiomatic expression used to describe a popular and respected male student at a university or college. The term implies that the person in question is not only physically large, but also socially prominent, influential, and skilled in a variety of areas such as sports, academics, and social activities. Often abbreviated as BMOC, this expression can be traced back to American college slang from the 1930s. The term is gender-specific, but there is a female equivalent, Queen Bee, which describes a similarly influential and admired female student. Overall, being a big man on campus is seen as a position of power and prestige within a college community.